Good afternoon all. I'm Dr. Arun Kumar M from MS Ramaya Medical College. My abstract ID number is 43. Perception on blended learning of medical college faculty is the title. The theme is teaching, learning, media. This is a list of other faculty members of medical education unit who are involved in the study. Background of the study. E-learning is the use of internet technologies to enhance knowledge and performance. We all know this. The advantage would be the e-learning technology and the current learning management system offers learners control over their learning material, learning sequence, media, and their style of learning. This also helps the student to control the time, pace, and effectiveness of learning, which gives them freedom to achieve their personal learning objectives. Which means to say, they might learn better when the opportunity is given to learn at their own pace and time. There are many pros and cons on the implementation and successful execution of e-learning program at several stages in the medical college. The e-learning delivery in the medical college also faces challenges like knowledge and skill of teaching faculty. The objective of the study is to study the faculty perception on integration of e-learning with traditional teaching methods. The secondary objective is to study the skill and limitations of faculty in incorporating blended learning in medical college. Methods. The study was conducted on undergraduate teachers of MS Ramaya Medical College and hospitals. The scale containing the questions to assess the faculty perception on e-learning was administered. The questionnaire was developed based on the review of relevant literature and the existing validated questionnaires. The questionnaire was assessed by the members of medical education and face validity was established. The scale had 10 questions which describes the challenges faced by the faculty in the e-learning process. It also involved other questions which assess the skill and strengths of the faculty in executing e-learning process. The options are in the Likert scale, which strongly agree as 5 point to strongly disagree as 1 point. Results. 45% of the faculty were in the age group of 35 to 45 years. 60% of the faculty had teaching experience of 5 to 15 years. 80% of the faculty agreed that e-learning modalities were a useful tool in the medical education. 45% of the faculty had prior experience on e-learning and blended learning. 45% of the faculty agreed that e-learning saves time and effort for both teachers and students. It's a quite interesting fact. So this is the bar graph which depicts the age in years of faculty involved in the study, also the years of teaching experience of the faculty or involved in the study. E-learning improves students' participation in education process. Looking at the responses, around 80% of the faculty agree that e-learning improves students' participation in the educational process. However, the faculty disagreed to that and they said that e-learning may decline the students' performances. 60% of the faculty agreed that e-learning may reduce the interactive discussion between faculty and student. This is something which has to be looked into in detail. 40% of the faculty agreed that use of e-learning is more time demanding than the traditional educational process. I think it's only a one-time effort. I'm going to tell you the future. So what went well? The questions were received well and it was well appreciated by the participants. Questions were covered in all the aspects of perception regarding the e-learning and resources available. The time taken was for the questionnaire solving was less than the expected time. So most of them were happy that they could finish the questions early. So the problems faced were faculty initially hesitated to participate as they thought it would be an extra work in the new domain which they were not well trained in. When we motivated them that uh, the actually e-learning saves the time and effort of both teachers and student and also the benefits of blended learning, they were happy and they involved in this. To conclude, The study has demonstrated that faculty are interested in the e-learning as well as blended method of teaching, and there is a need to strengthen the e-learning facilities and the faculty skill for the introduction of blended learning in medical college. Thank you.